Welcome to our series of webinars and tutorials on the Zultys product line. In this video, we're going to check out Zultys Outbound Dialer. What does the Outbound Dialer do? Let's say you're a receptionist at a doctor's office and you need to call clients to remind them about the upcoming appointment and make sure they're coming. Rather than calling each person one by one, you can create an outbound dialer campaign and have the phone system call the patients with a recorded message and then have them respond by clicking a number to either confirm the appointment or speak to an operator to reschedule. And that's not the only use case. With the Outbound Dialer, you can run campaigns for overdue notices, school notifications of upcoming events, or student absentee, or any sort of situation where you want to do a large number of automated phone calls, either just to play a message or to get a response. You can even use it to create customer satisfaction surveys. The campaign itself is created by the phone system administrator in the MX Administrator console, and then they can either be run automatically or manually. The administrator can also designate users on the MX to run individual campaigns without access to the MX Administrator console. Let's take the example with the doctor's office that needs to remind patients of upcoming appointments. I'm the receptionist and I have the ability to initiate a manual outbound campaign. So I click on the web page of the phone system, go into web applications, and click on the Outbound Dialer. These campaigns are created by the administrator, but as part of my responsibilities, I run this campaign once a day to call patients with upcoming appointments. I click on the appointment reminder campaign here, and then I'm going to import a file with patient's info. The import file has the person's phone number, their name, appointment date, and time. As soon as I upload it, the phone system will start dialing. So I'm going to go ahead and upload the data file, and here we go.
You have an appointment scheduled with Westside Health Clinic on September 9th, 2022 at 12 p.m. Please press 1 to confirm the appointment. Please press 2 to reschedule your appointment.
This person presses 1 to confirm the appointment.
Your appointment has been confirmed.
So now the system is going to call the next person.
You have an appointment scheduled with Westside Health Clinic on September 9th, 2022 at 11 a.m. Please press 1 to confirm the appointment. Please press 2 to reschedule your appointment.
And in this case, let's say the patient presses 2 to get to the scheduling group. The system will automatically route the call to the right extension, so I can help the patient find a different time when they can come in. Once the campaign finishes, you can see how the campaign worked. You can see the success rate, the date and time, and other information. You can then export these results to a report. You can also run reports on the Outbound Dialer campaigns using our MX report package for the Zultys phone system. And that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching.